Welcome to Meaningful Activities to Generate Interesting Classrooms. Section 4, Part 2, Mining Simulation. Let's continue our discussion of ways in which educators can impart information without lecturing. Next, we will discuss authentic learning and simulations. Please locate page 93, Simulations. Another strategy for providing curriculum information using multiple means of representation is through the use of authentic learning simulations. The educational community is realizing more and more that in order to prepare students for the future, it has to provide experiences in school that closely resemble authentic real-life situations. One way of doing this is through classroom simulations. A simulation can be done in any time span, from part of a class period to over several months. Please read the second and third paragraphs and highlight points that are relevant to you. For this activity, please remove this paper from your course folder. Please locate page 99, Mining Simulation, and read the first two introductory paragraphs on this page. If possible, complete this activity at home with a partner. If you do not have another person to help you, please be honest with recording your time. You will need the mining area sheet, a chocolate chip cookie, toothpicks, and a cup for each person. Just before you and your partner start mining, record your mining start time on page 100. Your goal is for you and your partner to use toothpicks to excavate and place in the cup as many whole chocolate chips as possible. Please be sure to stay in your mining area. You must use only toothpicks to mine and to place the whole chocolate chips in the cup. You may not use your fingers to mine or pick up the chocolate chips. If cookie pieces fall outside the mining area, you must leave them there and not sweep them away. Please be honest. You are to continue mining until you have mined all the chocolate chips in your cookie. Then record your mining end time. Please go to Canvas Modules Section 4 Part 2, Mining Simulation, to find the revised activity directions. Then, please locate page 100, Mining Regulations, and let's review our mining regulations. Under the subheading Mining Financial Sheet, record your mining start time and begin mining now. Remember, you may not use your fingers or sweep cookie pieces outside of the mining area. When you finish, please be sure to record your mining end time. To see who our best miners are, you will now complete your mining financial sheet. Complete the mining financial sheet on page 100 according to the mining regulations. The class participant and partner, if applicable, who has the highest total profit wins. You may use a calculator to help total your score. When you know your total profit, post your dollar amount in the discussion area. What insights emerged regarding authentic learning and simulations? Can authentic learning be nerve-wracking, just like real life? Did you enjoy the hands-on and interactive components of this activity? Did you like that it was interdisciplinary and involved geology, environmental issues, and math? Do you think your students would enjoy getting to eat the lesson? Please locate page 97, Simulation Ideas. Scan this page for other simulation ideas you can implement in your own classroom. Now that you have examined some other simulation ideas, What curriculum-related topic would lend itself to authentic learning or a simulation in your classroom? Are simulations a good way to help students understand natural resources and the environmental impact of depleting resources? Could students do a jury simulation on a novel you read? Could students do a simulation that creates a pioneer town? Could students do a science simulation where they test various scientific theories? Could students design a simulation around an event that happened in history or around current events in order to help students understand the events? You could even base your simulation on something real that is occurring in your community or school. A freeway or parking lot or mall is planned within a large city, and its construction will require the removal of some housing. Global issues are also good content for simulations. Please review the activity assets for the mining simulation on page 98 to debrief this activity. Remember, simulations may take more time in planning, but the depth of understanding that results is well worth the time and effort. Students really delve into the content in order to participate in the simulation. Authentic learning and simulations are powerful informational activities and provide multiple means of representation. This concludes Section 4, Part 2, Mining Simulation. Please continue to Modules Section 4, Part 2, Positioning Activities Informational, Cooperative Learning.